Hello. Hi. Uh, Thank you for joining today's live stream. So, today we are going to talk about Facebook and Instagram and mainly what's happening with the advertising world when it comes to Messenger ads and WhatsApp ads. These are new additions and these are really taking the marketing and the results for our clients by storm. And I want to take the opportunity to discuss with you these new opportunities, what's available to us. So, without further delay, let's get right to the content, and I hope you would be finding it useful. In case if you have any questions, any comments, please feel free to write down inside the comment box. And I hope this live continues without further glitch. And let's get right straight to the content. So, first up, we're going to talk about how do you set up Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp marketing. What are some of the basic things you should do in order to have your setup done well? So let's talk about first, it's important that you connect your WhatsApp with your Facebook page. That's very important. Before we get there, I want to talk about some of the reasons why you should be considering doing when you're doing Facebook and Instagram advertising with click to WhatsApp and click to Messenger ads. What are these and how does it work and why should you even care? So let's get down to the content first. After that, I'll be helping you to find out, discover how to set it up, see the results, and measure. All right, so what are Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp ad? These are basically when you see any ad in a news feed or a story, it's a click to website or a click to your page or click to like. There are many destination which appears in the contact us button. So here, this is how a Facebook Messenger ad looks like. For example, if you see the screen, this is an ad copy example, and here you're looking at send message. So this is a messenger. The moment you hit the messenger, it opens your ad, same ad inside a messenger where you can have your automated questions, answers, and you can start typing and get connected. So your customers can easily connect with you with Messenger, which is a Facebook platform. Facebook has an incentive to keep people on their messenger so that people spend longer time and hence more ad revenue for them. But for you, it's good because you don't have to wait to bring them to your website and then let them see your landing page and then so there is a time lap, there is a gap in between. So it's an instant connection with Messenger. So definitely we have seen this working great for our clients and for our own example, which we'll share shortly. And next is WhatsApp Messenger. How does that look like? And here you are. So again, it's the same thing. Only thing that changes is the destination, which is instead of Messenger, this button is send message to a WhatsApp. Now this, when the moment of your client, when they see your ad, when they hit, they can see straight away they can message you. And the best part with WhatsApp is that you get their number right away. The moment they hit a message, you get their number. So that's like 100% conversion. You get their data, so you can easily contact them. So that works great. And so that's an overview of what are Messenger ads and WhatsApp ads. Just want to check if you are able to hear me well. If there is any comments, anything so far, if I'm going too fast, too slow, let me know. Mention in your comments if so I can have a look and maybe I'm audible to you all. Okay, so continuing further. So why WhatsApp? Why this topic today? The reason is, of course, everybody's connected. Most people are on WhatsApp today. People don't respond much to emails as much as WhatsApp. So it's the primary means of communication when it comes to, they don't want to talk to you, they want to get a WhatsApp message. So it's a very practical and easily accessible and mass use platform. So definitely when you integrate WhatsApp Messenger with your advertising, it's just gets you more benefit, better results. So let's see how you can set this up. Like I said before you set up your WhatsApp Messenger and Messenger ads, you need to download the WhatsApp business account, and this is currently only available for Android users. That's it. It's only available for Android users. So what you can do right now is, you can if you have an Android phone, you can go to your app, Google Play, and type WhatsApp for Business, and you will get that app. You can download that, and that WhatsApp number, whatever WhatsApp you must be using a personal WhatsApp right now, you can upgrade to the WhatsApp for Business, and that number which you have, your WhatsApp number, you actually need to, once you've downloaded, you need to connect this with your Facebook page. I'll show you how it's done. So for example, this is our page, your Facebook page. You click on settings. The moment you click on settings, you come to, after you click on settings, you scroll down, and then here you would see WhatsApp, right? So that's a WhatsApp tab, and then you can over here click on you can enter your primary number. It will of course give you a code to your WhatsApp, because it's linking with your Facebook page with WhatsApp, and that's important. And this number, whichever number the WhatsApp you're trying to connect, as you can see, you're connecting this phone number with your page. So it's important that any message that comes, it comes only to this person. So it's important that you set up your WhatsApp integration with your Facebook page well. So that is part of the integration part of WhatsApp. Now let's see how you can set this up. Next step is, when the moment you are connected, so we covered so far. Just to recap, you can navigate to your WhatsApp manager in your business, in your Facebook page, connect them, and then once Facebook will send you a verification message to your WhatsApp number. You need to enter that verification method, and you confirm. Once you do that, done. So you are able to kind of use WhatsApp ads. And the best part, this WhatsApp ad, as of just last 2 months, it was only available with messages objective when it comes to let me see if you can see the screen. Yeah, there you go. So it's only available for messages, but now, as of last month, you can, even if you're running a traffic campaign or an video views or lead generation, not lead generation or brand awareness, you could still get the option to run an ad type, which will take them to the WhatsApp or Messenger. And these are the objectives: messages, traffic, conversions, and post engagement too. So this means if you are trying to boost a post, good news, you can now use WhatsApp messages and Messenger ads as well. So that's an overview about how you can use it. I want to show you an example as to what we did and how was the result. We tested this about 2 months ago, and here are the results. So okay, about the setup, that's also important. So once you're running let's say a traffic campaign or a messages objective, you have two options. It gives you an option: do you want to send it to Messenger, or do you want to send it to a WhatsApp, the message. So I selected WhatsApp, and it's connected to the page. As you can see, it is important to be connected. That's a prerequisite, and all the messages will go to that one WhatsApp number, whichever you have connected to your page. That's important. And then of course you select your targeting options, and just to show you an example of an ad copy. For example, what you see on the screen is this ad got 5 messages. So this means 5 people on WhatsApp and 2 people over here on WhatsApp have started communication. Alright, so just to show you how the ad looks like, so this is what we created. This is how it looks in the mobile newsfeed. It's in mobile newsfeed only at this time. And if you scroll down, you see this message, send message. So it's very obvious, when they hit send message, we get the messages, and then we talk to them. So that's a direct acquisition. You can do this, guys, for any type of customers, any type of targeting that you want, and it works. Second is the Messenger ad. So I'll show you how the Messenger ad looks like. Again, here it's a click to Messenger. As you can see, you have to select the second option, and here you would see the ad creative. What it would look like is that when they hit click, it takes them to the messenger, Facebook Messenger, that is. Yeah, so this one. So, and surprisingly, we've got more responses for the messages compared to WhatsApp. But be careful, your targeting has to be good. If your targeting is not correct, you will get a lot of junk messages. People will not, they will message you, but they will not reply back, and that's where you need to think further as to how do you really, optimize and get quality messages back. This was a blog we wrote about 2 weeks ago. So this is basically about WhatsApp Messenger, click to ads. You can surely check this out on our leadsdubai.com blogs page, and you can read about how you can set this up yourself. There are links given which you can use to kind of set this up on your own. Secondly, we have also written a blog about Messenger, Facebook Messenger, how you can set this up, and it's a similar process. There you go. And the best part, you can have a carousel, with video as well. So you can have a click which is send messenger, so you can see multiple messages and they can message you. So better they read your messages well. They read your ad copy and your text well, so they know what you do. Else it could be a problem where so many times people, when they message, and if you reply late, it's gone, because people don't remember what they messaged for. But the good thing is, the ad on which a user clicked and came to your message, that ad is also copied in the messages, so that way they will remember easily. So yeah, that's it. That's about how you can set up your Facebook, WhatsApp and Messenger. The reason why we wanted to showcase this today is because we have seen results and we can help. If you want to set it up yourself, you could. If you want our help, we can assist you. One important thing to cover before we close for this is, how many of you are using Facebook Pixels? So Facebook Pixel, if you're using, not using, you can comment yes, yes, or if you're not using, you can comment as no, and let us know. Fine. So what Facebook Pixel is, first of all, let me explain you what it is. It's better you see a video to understand what it is, and then we'll talk.
The Facebook Pixel is a piece of JavaScript code for your website that lets you measure and optimize, as well as build audiences for your ad campaigns. In this video, we'll help you install the Facebook Pixel on your website so you can start getting the most out of your Facebook ads. If this is your first time creating a Facebook Pixel, open your Ads Manager, click Tools, then click Pixels. Click Create a Pixel. Give your Facebook Pixel a name. Check the box to accept the Facebook Pixel terms, then click Create Pixel. If you have access to your website's code, click Install Pixel Now, and then copy everything in that box. This is called the base code, which you should place in the header section of every page of your website. If someone else works on your website, email the Facebook Pixel code to them to install. Next, check that the Facebook Pixel is working by navigating to a page on your website. Use the Facebook Pixel helper to see if it's loading correctly. And that's it. Your Facebook Pixel base code is now set, and you're ready to add standard events or custom conversions to specific pages of your website. Learn more at facebook.com/help/pixel.
All right, so I hope you are clear on what's Facebook Pixel, how you can install. If you need any help, you can message us or contact us, and we will help you set up your Facebook Pixel for free. Yes, so you just don't feel like, first of all, why is Pixel installation important? This Facebook Pixel is free, first of all. So since it's free, you might as well use it. And of course, what's the use for this? It starts gathering data of all the people who are on your website, which pages they're visiting, from where they are coming, have they filled up the form, what are they buying, all the activity you can check, and you can remarket to them by using custom conversions, which we use heavily for our clients. Now, one way to find out whether you have the Pixel installed or not is by checking. You can install, this is where you see Yeah, so if you there's a plugin called Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a Chrome extension. You can download that and it will tell you which pixel you have installed, whether it's installed correctly or not, and it will tell you whether it's capturing data. You see, so that's very powerful. So Facebook Pixel definitely works, and I recommend that you all use this for your website to improve marketing. All right, now one news we have to share is that we are having a digital marketing training in partnership, and we will be one of the trainers at the Ambion digital marketing training happening in Dubai next week. So the dates are on 6th and 7th March and on 9th and 16th March, which are two separate Saturdays happening in Dubai Media City. We have a course fee, and for early birds we have some discounts. The thing is, we cover a lot of topics. Like on day one, it will be on search, campaign structure, or better still, I'll let you see the video which explains it. Yes, so on day one, it will be me presenting about Google Ads, how you can do search and display ads, the campaign structure. This is where a lot of people have bad results, how to have keywords and ad type, optimization tips, how to advertise on YouTube, some Q&A, some practical case studies, examples. And on day two, we'll be having mainly social media marketing, how you can run ads on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn and improve your targeting options. What we discussed today was just a trailer. You would see and learn a lot more in the training, which is happening next Saturday. So if you're interested, contact us, let us know, and we'll be happy to help you become certified, and of course make sure that you're getting good results. This is an example of a past training, and we're happy to share with you the details as you need. So that's about us, about the training. And if I hope today's live was useful and you were able to get information and some valuable information about the Facebook and WhatsApp messaging. Try that. Let us know your feedback, how it worked for you. If you have any other topics you feel like that we should also cover in our next month's Facebook Live, we'll be happy to hear. Until then, thank you very much for watching and keep in touch. Bye-bye.